Welcome to Avanzare Group, where innovation drives our path towards the development, production, and commercialization of advanced functional materials. Our history of continuous growth has led us to become leaders in different industries related to our activities. Today, we want to highlight Nasika, one of our main divisions for providing pre-dispersed chemical solutions for rubber and plastic. But what makes our products special? At Nasika, we are committed to the highest quality. Our pre-dispersed products are characterized by their low viscosity and high filtration degree. Furthermore, this degree is tailored to the raw material to achieve exceptional dispersion. The combination of tradition, experience, and a dedicated team has led Nasika's pre-dispersed products to achieve the highest quality and international recognition. Why choose Nasika pre-dispersed products? Well, there are many reasons for this, such as ease of dosing and dispersion, reduction of mixing process time, safe and efficient handling for operators, and increased productivity through more efficient mixing. The Nasika pre-dispersed compounds are versatile and diverse, tailored to each specific need. Thus, the list of active ingredients is extensive, with highlights such as rubber accelerators, anti-scorching agents, sulfur donors, and metal oxides. Discover solutions that drive your industry and support your growth. Are you ready?